Hello there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report reminder. This is for education purposes only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Hey, Option Pit members, easy123, right there. OptionPitMembers.com/easy123, and you can sign up for a great webinar. Doesn't get better than that. The Options Pit, options made easy with me, your hero, Mark Sebastian. So let's talk about things here. A little bit slower of a day than yesterday. Yesterday was really funny. We had the VIX really soft all day. VIX futures, though, could not find a seller. There was a little underlying bid all week and all day. And you know, maybe it doesn't make a lot of sense, but hey, that's the way things happen sometimes. You know, looking around at kind of the market as a whole, Apple is on a huge tear. You're seeing some strength out of Amazon. AMD is at a new all-time high. This was my trade idea of the week 2 weeks ago, and it is up. It's up, 25% in the last couple of days. Nice move. And there's that. So just kind of flipping back, the NASDAQ is up nicely. The RUT kind of unched. The Dow and SPX also. So not a lot of strength. VIX is down. It looks like it wants to get back in the 11s. VIX futures are sitting. VIX futures are sitting at 14. And we'll see where they go from there. But yeah, they're sitting at 14. The low has been about 1380. I keep thinking we're going to get there. But we'll see. Feels like there should be some future selling now. We're about let's see. We got 18 trading days left. A 2-point spread is really, really wide, even with VIX at 12, and 12 has been about normal. There have not been a lot of huge pops. We had that one nice one-day pop, but aside from that, everything's been kind of flattish. Looking at the ETFs, utilities are the only ones down. Everything looks strong, kind of across the board, and don't blame them. I want to look at the Mexico ETF, EWW. I'm going to play around with this one today. They signed that trade deal. That could be very good for the Mexican economy and bad for vol. It had a nice day yesterday, and then let's see where vol goes. You can see vol's still elevated. This might be one that we can set something up in. Meanwhile, China, which has stabilized its currency, continues to not be very healthy. So we may play around with that. How about Tesla? I mean, how cultish does a stock have to be for the CEO to go on Twitter and borderline lie? Let's just say clearly misstate, and the stock hasn't taken anything. It's pretty phenomenal. And then, so there's a lot of interesting things to look at, I think, today. These, the NVIDIAs of the world, I think they're finally maybe running out a little bit out of steam, which is a nice thing. They had really, if you think AMD looked crazy, take a look at NVIDIA. That is just straight up on really low vol. So the fact that the vol's still low makes me think it's still going to keep going. But a one-day break is not a terrible thing for a stock. Don't be shocked if this thing turns around. the strongest index today of the ETFs continues to be energy and materials, even though building was soft. And so we may take a gander at some of these energy names, and that'll be that. All right, folks. If you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a great day.